Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Toán học, học toán. I wish you a nice new day with a lot of energy and full happiness. When you join my channel, I'm very happy when you subscribe. Thank you very much. Today's lessons continue the topic of learning mathematics in English for grade 6 students, especially for Vietnamese students who want to improve their mathematics skill in English. We start the third test of 10 exercises that we need to solve. You have to finish on the exercise before watching the guide solution. Now you start doing. Exercise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now you can watch in the guide solution and then you compare your results with the results on this video, and then you can find out the knowledge that you can improve. Now we go to watch the guide solution. This is the test, the first lesson. With decimals in large. 347.3 or 347.35. To compare them, we compare the digits starting from left to right. We have 3 equal 3, 4 equal 4, 7 equal 7. Continue, 3 equal 3. Here, there is no number, which means that is 0. It is less than 5, so the last number is 347.35. So the answer now is we continue to solve exercise 2. The radius of a circle is 5 cm. Calculate the perimeter of the circle. And then you remember this is the radius and this is the diameter. And the diameter is double the radius. We have the formula of the perimeter of a circle is 2 multiply p multiply the radius of diameter multiply p. Because the exercise gives us the radius, we use the first formula. So we have 2 multiply with p and multiply with 5, and we have the result 10p centimeter. This is the perimeter. We finished solving lesson 2. Now we move on to lesson 3. Givens A, including the number belong to natural number. It is larger than 2 and smaller or equals A. How many elements are there in the set A? We first rewrite set A in enumerations since it is in the range greater than 1 and less than or equal to A. So the set A is represented as 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now we count the number of elements in set A and answer the question. There are 7 elements in the set A. We continue to exercise number 4. Max is in the building. He is 25 meters above the ground. He climbed up 4 flights of stairs. Its width is 3 meters high. How high is Max now above the ground? We calculated the height of 4 floors and add the initial height of Max above the ground to get the results of the problem. Now the height of Max above the ground is 25 plus 4 times 3 equals 37 meters. Exercise number 5. Mr. Long deposited 120 million Vietnam dong in the bank. The bank pays for business interest per month. How much money would he have in the bank after 1 month? Note that this is the interest rate for 1 month. If you give a 1 year interest rate, you have to calculate the interest for 1 month before calculating the interest. After 1 month, the money he has earned includes the deposit amount and the interest amount. The deposit amounts were 120 million Vietnam dong. The interest is calculated by multiply the interest rate and the amount of deposit. The amount of money Mr. Long would have in the bank after 1 month is 120 million Vietnam dong. The deposit additions with 4,800,000 Vietnam dong. So the total is 124,800,000 Vietnam dong. We finish lesson number 5 and continue lesson number 6. What number is represented by the following symbol? Is, I, is. This is the symbol for the Roman numerals, denoted by is the number 10. Then we have two number 10, that will be number 20. And the symbol I is the number 9. So the symbol is 29. We continue with lesson 7. Which statement is true? A. 1 is the smallest natural number. B. 10 is the richest natural number. C. There is no the smallest natural number. D. 0 is the smallest natural number. we review the sets of natural number n. Either sets from 0, 1, 2, 3 and no ending number. So 1 is the smallest natural number is wrong. 10 also is not the result because we don't have the ending number. There is no the smallest natural number is also wrong. And this is the smallest natural number, so the answer is D. The statement is true is D. We go to lesson 8. Calculator 36 multiplied with 218. Subtractions 36 multiplied with 118. This is a quick calculation. If you count in the order, you will calculate the two multiplications first and then subtract. And the rational, then you will use the distribution property of multiplication for additions and do the following. "36 multiplied with," you make the subtract first. 218 subtract 118, and then you have the result here is 100. And here we see the problem is easy and compact. The result of the calculation range is 3600. We finish exercise number 8 and move into exercise number 9. Now Ori is 10 years old and her mother is 4 times as old as Ori. How old will her mother be when Ori be twice as old as she is now? Be careful with this problem, which is easy to get wrong. You think Ori's mother is always 4 times her age is wrong. And answer, when Ori was 20, her mother was 80 years old. The problem is that after Ori is twice her age now, she needs to wait 10 years. Now Ori's mother is 40 years old. So after 10 years, Ori's mother will be 50 years old. So who answer 80 years old from mom? It is wrong. We go to exercise 10. This is the last exercise. Given 5 points, in which not any 3 points are aligned here. Draw lines passing through the pair of points. How many lines are there? So we have the answer. 1 point, we draw 4 lines, which remains 4 points. Each line is drawn twice, then the lines are 5 multiply 4 and divide 2. Then we have the result is 10 lines. We have just finished the exercise in examination 3. I hope you will learn some new knowledge and consolidate the forgotten knowledge. Remember to join the channel regularly to keep up the program. I wish you all progressive learning and always achieve high results in the upcoming examination. See you in the next lessons. Best regards. Goodbye.